In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Calendly, Acuity, TidyCal, and Cal.com, 4 popular scheduling tools that help simplify booking meetings and appointments online. Let's start with Calendly. Calendly is probably the most well-known tool in this space. It's extremely user-friendly and integrates smoothly with Google, Outlook, and Zoom. It's great for teams and individuals alike, offering round-robin scheduling, group events, and automated reminders. The free version is decent, but if you want more control, like removing Calendly branding or customizing workflows, you'll need to upgrade. It's polished, reliable, and ideal if you want a no-fuss setup with strong integrations. Now let's talk about Acuity Scheduling. Acuity is a feature-rich platform that shines when it comes to customization and client control. It's especially popular among service-based professionals, think coaches, therapists, or consultants. You can set up intake forms, take payments via Stripe or PayPal, and even sell packages. While it has a steeper learning curve than Calendly, it gives you more flexibility in branding options. The only downside? There's no forever free plan, just a 7-day trial. Next up is TidyCal. TidyCal is a budget-friendly alternative that offers surprising value for a one-time payment, not a monthly fee. It's a solid option if you're just starting out or don't need all the bells and whistles. It integrates with Google and Microsoft calendars and includes features like paid bookings, buffer times, and time zone detection. The UI isn't as sleek as Calendly or Acuity, but it gets the job done, especially for the price. If you're after simplicity and savings, this could be your pick. Finally, let's look at Cal.com. Cal.com is open source and highly customizable, which makes it perfect for developers or businesses with unique scheduling needs. You can self-host it or use their hosted version. It integrates well with popular tools and offers features like team scheduling, webhooks, and API access. It may feel too technical for beginners, but if you want full control and flexibility, Cal.com is a powerful solution. If you want a polished and easy-to-use scheduler with solid free features, go with Calendly. If you're a service provider who needs client management tools, Acuity wins. If you're on a budget and want lifetime access without subscriptions, TidyCal is your best bet. And if you're a developer or a power user who needs something flexible and open source, Cal.com is for you. Let me know in the comments which platform you use or are planning to try. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.